Hi everyone. My name is Sourabh Ghosh and I've been working as a senior manager with QualityKiosk for over a year now. One of the stand-up factor of working at QualityKiosk is the connection that the leadership has with all its employees. Along with being approachable, the leadership backs all employees to expand their horizons and trust their skills, giving them the confidence to do more and learn more. It was due to this encouraging environment that I was able to push my boundaries and now manage three BUs and an entire region after I started off with just two BUs a year ago. In addition, the tremendous learning opportunities at the employee's disposal and the freedom to implement and experiment with their ideas make Quality Kiosk an ideal workplace for anyone looking to accelerate their career growth. This, combined with a healthy work life balance, a collaborative and flexible environment, and a supportive management who readily accepts and implements the feedback, has made working at Quality Kiosk a mesmerizing experience for me. My advice for anyone looking for a flexible, balanced, high growth, and career transforming opportunity is join Quality Kiosk. Thank you.